Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Elden Ring game is not launching on your PC. Guys, first solution is try DirectX 11 or tell command only if crash on startup. First open up the Steam, then just click on the Elden Ring game, then just click on the gear icon and go to your game properties. Now here you'll see the launch option. Now just type here minus DX11. Once you type this command, now launch the game, then check if your game is still not launching, then just type here minus DX12. Now launch the game, check problem A6 or not, still not launching. Then just remove it and just type here minus D3D11. Now launch the game, then check if your game is not launching. Then just remove this launch option and then just uncheck the box of Steam overlay while in game. Then launch the game, then check. If you have the Discord, then disable the Discord overlay, then launch the game, then check. Still not launching, then just go to the install files, click on the verify, integrate your game files. It will take some time, so just wait for it. Then simply relaunch the game, then check your game is launching or not. If not, then just click on the browse option. Here simply locate your game launcher or exe file of your game. Make a right click on it, go to its properties, go to the compatibility tab. Now here just uncheck this box of compatibility mode and also uncheck this box and just check the box of administrator. Then click on apply. Now launch the game, check problem A6 or not. Still not launching, then just check the box of disable full screen optimization. Then click on apply. Now launch the game, then check. Still not launching, then just check the box of compatibility mode and choose here the Windows 8. Once you check the box of compatibility mode and choose here the Windows 8, click on apply. Now launch the game, then check problem A6 or not. If your game is still not launching, so the next solution that you can try is update your graphic drivers. Go to your Windows search and type here the update, open it. Now update your Windows and make sure that your graphic card drivers are up to date. Once you update your Windows or graphic card drivers, simply restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. Now try out with this solution and see which work for you, and I hope one of these fix your problem, and if yes, please like this video and bye bye.